The unbelievable rise of TSMC. How a small Taiwanese startup transformed the tech world. Some companies are known for inventing revolutionary products, while others are renowned for enabling them. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company falls in the latter category, but its journey is anything but ordinary, from humble beginnings to becoming the world's largest semiconductor foundry. TSMC's story is a testament to visionary leadership, strategic resilience, and the ever-growing importance of semiconductors in the global economy. All company logos, trademarks, and character images in this video have been replaced with generic images for illustrative purposes only. Let's dive into the remarkable rise of TSMC and its impact on the modern tech landscape. The visionary beginnings. Maurice Chang's dream. TSMC's story begins in 1987 with Maurice Chang, a visionary engineer and leader whose ambition went far beyond making a mark in his field. With a doctorate in electrical engineering from Stanford and 25 years at Texas Instruments, Chang was already a respected figure in the semiconductor industry. But when he was invited by the Taiwanese government to help bolster the country's tech sector, Chang saw an opportunity to transform the industry. The semiconductor market at that time was dominated by integrated device manufacturers like Intel and Texas Instruments, which designed and manufactured their own chips. Chang's revolutionary idea: create a pure-play foundry model, a business dedicated solely to manufacturing chips for other companies. This approach allowed tech companies to focus on innovation and design, while relying on TSMC's manufacturing expertise. This move was radical, but Chang's foresight paid off, setting TSMC apart as a unique player in the tech landscape. Early challenges and strategic partnerships. TSMC's early days weren't without obstacles. The company had to overcome the skepticism of potential clients who were reluctant to entrust their designs to an external manufacturer. But Chang's reputation and TSMC's commitment to confidentiality and quality gradually earned the trust of companies, especially as the demand for custom chip manufacturing increased. TSMC's breakthrough came when it secured partnerships with big names like IBM and Nvidia, two companies that needed customized, high-performance chips but didn't want to set up their own factories. These early partnerships laid the foundation for TSMC's future, allowing it to build credibility and develop advanced manufacturing capabilities by proving it could deliver high-quality, reliable production. TSMC established itself as the go-to foundry for cutting-edge chip manufacturing, innovating at the forefront of technology. What truly cemented TSMC's position as a tech giant was its relentless focus on innovation. In the 1990s and 2000s, TSMC pioneered techniques that allowed for smaller, faster, and more power-efficient chips, continually pushing the boundaries of Moore's law. While other manufacturers struggled to keep up with the rapid evolution of chip technology, TSMC thrived by investing heavily in research and development. It embraced techniques such as extreme ultraviolet lithography, which enabled smaller transistors and more complex chips. This commitment to innovation paid off in the 2010s, as smartphones, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence exploded in popularity. TSMC's advanced chip-making capabilities enabled it to meet the needs of tech giants like Apple, Qualcomm, and AMD. In fact, Apple became one of TSMC's most significant partners, entrusting the production of its powerful A-series chips for iPhones to the Taiwanese foundry. This partnership not only propelled TSMC's growth, but also solidified its role in powering the smartphone revolution, surpassing Intel. TSMC's dominance in advanced node technology. Perhaps one of the most surprising turns in TSMC's journey came in the 2020s. when it surpassed Intel, a long-time leader in semiconductor technology, in the race for smaller and more advanced node technology. Intel's delays in transitioning to 10 nanometers and 7 nanometers manufacturing processes allowed TSMC to take the lead. By 2021, TSMC was mass-producing 5 nanometers chips, with plans for 3 nanometers and 2 nanometers processes on the horizon. This milestone wasn't just technical, it signaled a seismic shift in the semiconductor industry, where TSMC had now become the gold standard in advanced manufacturing. TSMC's strategic importance and global challenges today. TSMC produces over half of the world's most advanced chips, making it an irreplaceable asset in the tech ecosystem, with customers spanning sectors from consumer electronics to automotive and defense. TSMC's chips power everything from smartphones to supercomputers. However, this dominance has also made TSMC a focal point of geopolitical tensions, particularly between the United States and China. The global chip shortage during the COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the vulnerability of relying on a single company for such a critical resource. In response, TSMC has expanded its global footprint, including plans for new manufacturing facilities in the United States and Japan. These moves not only help diversify its production capabilities, but also aim to appease concerns from various governments about over-reliance on Taiwan. Nevertheless, TSMC's most advanced facilities remain in Taiwan, where the company continues to push the boundaries of semiconductor technology. The road ahead, TSMC's unmatched role in the future of tech. As we look to the future, TSMC's position is more critical than ever. Emerging technologies such as 5G, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things will require chips that are smaller, faster, and more efficient. TSMC's expertise in these advanced processes will be instrumental in enabling these innovations. Additionally, with trends toward autonomous vehicles and quantum computing, TSMC's research into next-generation chip designs could shape the future in ways we have yet to imagine. The journey of TSMC is one of vision, resilience, and continuous innovation. From a small startup with a novel business model to a global powerhouse driving technological progress, TSMC's story is an inspiring example of how determination and foresight can redefine an entire industry. As the world becomes more reliant on technology, making it one of the most influential companies shaping our digital future. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.